Hello everybody, my name is Jerry and today I am going to make a video on Algebra 1 on a concept called multi-step linear inequalities. Again, I am from Equity and we are an organization that hopes to provide children with free education. So let's get started. An inequality is a very important concept in algebra or in math in general, because you will face it and deal with it later on in higher level maths. So an inequality is basically an equation, but the equation sign, the equal sign, is switched out for a greater than sign, less than sign, greater and equal to than, and less than or equal to that, less than or equal to sign. And so let's try some problems. These are rather easy, so let's just go straight ahead. 64n minus 6 is larger or equal to than 36n minus 16. So what you do here, well, it's basically the same as solving an equation. You move all the variables to one side and move all the constants to one side and you solve, right? So 64 minus 36, and that's 28n. 28n larger than or equal to negative 16 plus 6, which is negative 10. And you divide 28 over and you get 10 over 28, which simplifies to 5 over 15. So n is larger than or equal to negative 5 over 14. Now it's easy, right? Yeah, let's try a few more problems. 4x plus 4 is less than or equal to 9x plus 8. Let's subtract 9x on both sides and we get negative 5x, and you subtract 4 on both sides, you get negative 5x is less than or equal to 4. And you now notice, if you're going to divide or multiply a negative number to both sides of the equation, like how we're going to multiply negative 1 over 5 here to get rid of the negative 5 in front of the x, we have to switch the sign. So we're going to multiply negative 1 over 5 on each side to cancel out the negative 5 in front of the x, so we can solve for x, right? And 4 times negative 1 over 5 is negative 4 over 5. However, now it's not less than or equal to. We have to switch the sign. It is now greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to negative 4 over 5. And that is something different when solving an inequality. That's different from when solving an equation. Let's try another problem. 30b plus 53 is larger than or equal to 18b minus 83. 30b minus 18b, that's 12b, larger than or equal to negative 83 minus 53, that is negative 136. You divide 12 over. Now 12 is not negative, so you don't have to switch the sign. You get b is larger than or equal to negative 136 over 12. Let's try one last problem and we'll look into some word problems. Negative 65y plus 19 is less than negative 2y plus 41. Negative 65y plus 2y is negative 63y, less than 41 minus 19, which is 22. Again, we have to divide negative 63 over, which means we have to switch the sign. So y is larger than 22 over negative 63. And that's how you do the word or the inequality problems. Now let's try some word problems. So the first one here. Sergey runs a bakery. He needs at least 175 kilograms of flour in total to complete the holiday orders he's received. He only has 34 kilograms of flour, so he needs to buy more. The flour he likes comes in the bags that each contain 23 kilograms of flour. He wants to buy the smallest number of bags as possible and get the amount of flour he needs. Let F represent the number of bags of flour that Sergey buys. So let's write this down. Let's write all the information down. So currently he has 34 kilograms of flour. Let's write 34 here. And then now he needs to buy more. And each bag contains 23 kilograms of flour, so 23. However, we do not know yet how many bags of flour he needs to buy, so he has at least 175 kilograms of flour, right? And since we are told that F represents the number of bags of flour that Sergey buys, let's write 23F here. 23 is the weight of each bag and F is the number of bags. Now at least 175. So at least implies larger than or equal to. So the inequality we have come up here is 34 plus 23F is larger than or equal to 175. Now let's solve for this. Solve for F here. So we get F is larger than or equal to 141 over 23. So, which means F must be larger than, this is 6.13 using a calculator. So he needs to buy 6.13 bags of flour to get at least 175 kilograms of flour. Now obviously you cannot buy 6.13 bags of flour, so you need to round up because he needs at least 175 kilograms. If he buys 6 bags, and then let's see, 23 times 6 plus 34 is only 172. That's not enough. He needs more than 175. So we need to round up, which means the least number of bags he needs is 7 bags of flour. Let's try another problem. Alonso brings $21 to the market to buy eggs and avocados. He gets eggs that cost $2.5. Then he notices that the store only sells avocados in bags of 3 for $5. He wants to buy as many avocados as he can with his remaining money. Let B represent the number of bags of avocado that Alonso buys. So, he brings $21. Or how about you try this problem for yourself first? So you can pause this video here and I'll give you guys the answer later. So, okay, let's start. So first he spends his money on eggs that cost $2.5. So let's write that down. 2.5. Then he wants to buy as many bags of avocados. And the avocados come in bags of 3 for $5. So how many bags can he buy? So each bag is $5. And B is the number of bags. So let's write 5B. 1 bag, $5, 2 bags, $10. And he only has $21, right? So he can't go over $21. So it implies less than or equal to 21. Now let's solve for B. So B has to be less than 3.7. So the number of bags he buys needs to be less than or equal to 3.7. And again, you cannot buy 3.7 bags of avocado. And this time, unlike the problem here, you do not round up. Because if you round up, you're gonna buy 4 bags, right? But 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 plus 2.5 is larger than 21, and he only has $21. He's missing $1.5. So in this case, you need to round down. So the number of bags he can buy, the most number of bags of avocados he can buy is 3 bags of avocado. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. So we learned how to solve simple inequalities and how to write inequalities from word problems and solve them. And anyways, please check out our website at equitythailand.org for more free content like quizzes and worksheets. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.